Hey, what's going on, team? Happy Monday. I wanted to quickly talk about what caused the market to sell off. A lot of you guys might already know, and I don't want to take too much of your guys' time, but it has to do with the second stimulus check and kind of like the talk between the Republicans and the Democrats. Hopefully, you guys could see it a little bit better on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. We saw a very, very significant drop on the overall market. NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones, all aggressively sold off because there was a specific deadline that the Democrats put as of Tuesday. Based off of news that I've been reading now moving forward, is they do plan to talk and come up with a potential solution that both parties can agree with, hopefully, as soon as tomorrow, that they would like to come out with a second stimulus before the 2020 election is over. So what I make out of this is we now know why the market sold off today, right? And it has to do with the talk of, wanting to come out with this second stimulus check and just making sure that the conversation is at least going to happen, right? And according to updates, it is. So it looks like the market has slowly began to recover from this, but I wanted to talk about what does this mean moving forward? Well, if the market continues to sell off for day trade opportunities, you guys know exactly what it is that I'm going to be paying attention to, right? When the market sells off, I like to pay attention to SQs, which goes up when the overall market goes down. In comparison to long-term plays, a lot of you guys know that I am going long on Apple, and of course, because of the overall drop today, Apple took a pretty big hit, and so did Tesla, but it wasn't anything super significant. So what do I plan to do big picture? Well, on top of this stimulus talk, and although the market is pulling back a little bit, again, if your intention is to hold long-term, understand your intention. And of course, things can get worse before they get better, especially if they don't end up coming out with a second stimulus check. But big picture, because we understand that this is a negative catalyst that normally doesn't last for a very long period of time, we can take advantage of being able to buy the dip and then be able to ride the recovery if, again, you understand the intention of wanting to hold long term. So is SQQQ, right, a day trade, something that I want to buy now and hold later? Well, no. The market right now is currently selling off, so I can make a couple bucks day trading SQs, right, as that goes up when the market goes down. But big picture for my long-term investors or my people that like swing trading, this is where I would really collect your thoughts and be able to decide, okay, well, as the market is selling off and we understand the catalyst that's driving the market down, is this something that we think is going to continue to drive the market down forever? No, of course not, right? So because of this, we could be selective, right? Based off of your criteria, decide what stocks you want to go long on and be able to take advantage of these good deals as of right now, with the understanding that, of course, you don't want to put in so much money that if the market continues to sell off, you become uncomfortable. But again, having enough money in the market that you feel effective. So I wanted to provide you guys with an update on what I plan to focus on as a day trade, right? And on top of that, what I plan to do with my long-term plays, as I know not everyone day trades in the market. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think is going to happen. Do you think that they will actually come out with a resolution tomorrow for the second stimulus check, or do you think that it's only going to get pushed back further? And if so, then this could, of course, cause the market to sell off a little bit more. But again, it doesn't mean that you have to freak out. I'd rather you be prepared, be someone that is surprised. So like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.